Good morning, you guys. It is Monday morning, the start of a brand new week, a little bit later in the day than I would have liked, but that's quarantine for you. I just got a package delivered finally. I mentioned in my last vlog that I was waiting for my cotton on order to arrive. It's finally here, which is super exciting. I'm gonna have my coffee and then unbox this bad boy. This morning has been super chill. I've just been catching up on some YouTube, watching TikToks. I actually posted a TikTok of my mum very spontaneously, and for some reason it's getting a lot of views.
You're a baguette. I'm a baguette. You're a baguette. I'm a baguette.
I don't really get how TikTok works, if I'm gonna be completely honest. I know I'm showing my age here. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, all over it, but TikTok just confuses me. It's something that I haven't quite mastered, but yeah, that video is really funny. I think it's really cute. My parents are just so funny. You're probably gonna see so much of them in these vlogs, which I know you guys really enjoy, just because I am spending so much time with them. Anyway, I am gonna have my coffee, do some planning, and get on with my day. Happy Monday! Really trying to enter this week with a positive, happy mindset. I feel like I've accepted the things that this virus have taken from me and just accepted it, acknowledged it, grieved my losses almost. That's how Rachel put it. I thought it was a really good way to kind of describe how things are for a lot of people, and now I'm just like in this chapter of acceptance. So I'm feeling good going into this week. I hope you guys are as well. Hope you guys are keeping safe, and yeah, it's gonna be a good one. While I have my morning coffee, I am gonna do a bit of content planning for the upcoming week, just so I know when I'm going to be posting, what I'm going to be posting. I have quite a few videos that I still have to edit, some vlogs, a Q&A. I'm going to film a haul video. So content, baby, content. I guess the one upside to this whole self-isolation thing is the fact that people are consuming more content and I don't have to worry as much about when to post my content. Like normally I would never post on a Friday or a Saturday because people are busy, but now I don't have to worry because people have no lives, myself included. Like I have just been watching so much YouTube recently. It's the only thing that's kind of keeping me sane and like distracting me from what's going on in the world, and it's definitely been my main form of entertainment, and I don't really have a time I don't watch it. Whereas before I would be very specific about when I would watch something because I was working and I was going out and that kind of thing. So yeah, it's interesting time for sure. Anyway, I am gonna stop babbling on, have my freaking coffee, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Let's do this. That was such a good walk. I also came home to another package. All of my online shopping is starting to catch up to me. As you guys saw, we went to the beach. We walked for around 6 kilometers to just over an hour at a pretty steady pace. We took Coco with us, which was so cute. We've been taking her a lot recently and letting her off at the beach. She just lives the absolute best life. Sometimes I forget. I don't think a lot of people realize, like when they see her, they think she's a puppy, particularly when her fur, sorry, couldn't think of the word, is short. She looks very puppy-like and she acts like a puppy when she's on a walk and at the beach. But the reality is she is deaf and is 14. Almost 15. Anyway, I am now going to, while I still have the energy, kind of, gonna start week 2 of Sarah's Day Sweater to Shredder ebook. Last week was the first week. I really enjoyed it. I'm hoping it's not too much harder because I really struggled through week 1. Like it was a good struggle, and I'm sure I'm only gonna improve and like my fitness is gonna grow. Particularly the sweaty shredders are killer, and I'm pretty sure it's a sweaty shredder today, so wish me luck. Okay, oh, good start. I finished my workout now, had a shower, feeling funky fresh. My butt is already sore and it's not even been an hour, so that's how well we're going. I'm gonna unbox the 2 packages I got today. It's all very exciting and I feel like I've really built up these packages arriving, so I feel like I need to share this experience with you all. This first package is from Raw Cosmetics. I saw someone talking about one of their serums and then I went on their website and like did my research. Their product's basically vegan and not tested on animals, which is amazing. I got a free shower cap, which is exciting, with every Raw face mask purchase. This one's the mint colored. Does it smell like mint? Is that a stupid question? No, it doesn't. I actually have never had a shower cap in my life, so that's exciting. I don't really wash my hair. Well, that sounds disgusting. I do wash my hair, but I try and avoid washing it too much. Normally like a couple times a week. I've kind of trained my hair not to get super oily. Okay, the first thing I got, and this is the whole reason I even placed the order to begin with, it's the Recover Me face oil, the Restore one. It says it's a hangover cure for your face. That is music to my ears. It's basically like a really moisturizing serum for your face. Should I put this on now? Actually, no, I got a face mask. I'll put it on after. The face mask I got is the Superfood Salad Green Clay Detox Mask with coconut water, wild berry harvest, kale, green tea, and spinach. Ooh la la. 50% superfoods, 100% natural ingredients. Madame. I'm gonna try this bad boy out tonight. Last thing I got is a lip gloss. Looking on their website, majority of their stuff is skincare, but they do also have some cosmetics, and this one had really good reviews. It's in the color Barefoot. I can never have enough lip gloss, to be honest. Okay, next package. This one is the one we've all been waiting for. I actually didn't order anything that exciting. I just got track pants. So they also ordered some stuff for Nick for his birthday, just like a couple little things. So I won't be showing that stuff. Oh, that's satisfying. Yoo-hoo, big summer blowout. I can't stop saying that. Oh, I forgot I ordered that. Don't you love when you just go on a huge online shopping spree and you forget what you've ordered? Okay, I got this grey crew neck jumper. I think I got this in an XL. Yeah, oversized crew neck sweater in grey marl. Super big, oversized, really soft actually. I don't have any like big oversized jumpers that are actually my own. They're all Nick's. And then I got the matching sweatpants, and I got these in a large. I'm normally a medium in most things, but I wanted them to be oversized and just really comfortable. Oh, they're so soft. I'm really excited to put those bad boys on. And then the last thing I got, this isn't clothing related, but I saw it on the website and I thought it might be quite fun to do, especially during this time of isolation. It's a paint by numbers New York themed little set. I'm not the most creative person, like artistically. I just have zero skills, which doesn't mean I don't want to do it, but it just means I'm not very good at it. So this just seemed like a nice little alternative because it literally tells you what number to paint and what color to paint it. So you really can't go very wrong. I'm excited. I'll definitely have to vlog when I do that. Stay tuned. But yeah, that is my little unboxing haul. That was fun. A little anticlimactic if I'm honest. I feel like I've been hyping up these sweatpants and receiving these sweatpants for far too long, but I've just been thinking about them all week. I'm gonna cut the tags off now and put these babies on because I just cannot wait. Snip, snip, bitch. Yes, what a vibe. This is definitely not the most flattering outfit, I'll be honest. I low-key look like an inmate, but it's so comfortable. This is definitely gonna be my quarantine outfit. So it is now Wednesday. It's about 8 AM, which is pretty early for me. I've been waking up around this time, but I haven't actually been getting out of bed. So this is progress. Just decided to come outside. This has been part of like my morning routine, just to like feel fresh air. It's a little chilly outside today, but I'm in my little tracksuit set from Cotton On that finally arrived. It's actually from Factory. I didn't realise that when I ordered it, but it's the Cotton On group. Today I'm drinking the Califia Farms cold brew, which I got from Woolworths. Really good. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have a pretty relaxed morning. Just wake up with the rest of the world. It's really pretty outside.
Hello, vloggers. No, that's not right. You're a vlogger, aren't you?
How are you going, Susie?
Well, I'm sure I feel like most people in this situation.
Living your best
No,
life?
I don't. I'm living my best life. I'm sort of used to it to a degree, which I'm quite thankful for because it's not such a big change for me now. I think you've got to structure your day.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can feel...
Have routine.
Yeah, have some sort of routine. So I still get up at 7 every day. Leap out of bed, have my breakfast, do all my jobs, and then I allow the afternoon to be my time when I can do basically what I want for a few hours.
Doesn't that sound nice?
Children, listen up. So I've just taken my pre-workout. I'm about to start my Toning Power week 2 from Sarah's Day ebook.
Why do I say it like that?
Anya wanted to do some boxing, so I'm going to do that as my warm-up. Are we ready?
It literally reminds me of weight fitness.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is scary.
Winner!
Okay, well, thanks for that. No problem. We can leave it in here. We can do it every time.
Yeah, every time I'm angry at you.
Oh my god, it's probably good because we're both like coming up to our period as well.
I have my period.
Well, I don't. Mine's due tomorrow. Unless I'm pregnant.
Okay, it's time to get down to business. I'm gonna do week 2 of Sarah's Day's ebook. I'm pretty sure today's a Toning Power. Yep, just as I suspected.